It is possible to use the then function to prescribe a medication with sequential doses. An example will be for the reduction of a prednisolone regimen. We start on the prescribing medication chart. Click to select the Prescribe button, and now select the search box. We will quickly enter the name of the drug for you. With the name of the drug entered, click on Search. Select the single ingredient option for prednisolone. Existing quick list orders are presented, including pre-built reducing regimens. None of these options are appropriate, so we need to scroll down the list. Select generic product tablet prednisolone 5 mg. We are taken to the longhand prescribing screen. Here we'll change the dose to 30 mg each morning and set the duration as 5 days. Click into the dose field. We will quickly enter the dose. We need to enter the duration of 5 days, so select the duration field. Now click on the drop down and select days. Currently, this prescription will automatically stop in 5 days. This patient, however, requires a reducing course to ensure the steroids are stopped gradually. Rather than add separate prescriptions, we can do this from this template. To add an extra prescription line, we click on the Then button. You'll see that another prescription line has appeared below, with a start date after the previous 5-day course. However, we want to reduce the dose to 20 mg for the following 5 days. We will quickly enter this information for you. Again, we want to reduce the dose to 10 mg for 5 days and then finally reduce to 5 mg. So we need to click on the Then button. We will quickly fade in the next 2 prescription lines. If the patient is to stop the prednisolone after the final 5 days of the 5 mg, we can leave the 5-day duration. However, if the patient was to remain on a maintenance dose, you would remove the final duration to indicate the last dose was to continue ongoing. In this case, we'll finish the 5 mg dose after 5 days, so leave the duration and click to select Continue. You are taken to the Medications to be added screen. We can clearly see the reduction of dose as separate lines to be added. Check that the prescribing is correct and amend it if required. We are happy with the information, and so we can just click on Update. Here we can see the prednisolone 30 mg prescribed to start on the 6th of June, and here we can see the drug reducing to 20 mg starting on the 11th of June. The white dots clearly indicating the 5-day duration, and the step down in dose is clear on the prescription chart. Since the prescriptions are linked with the Then function, clicking to edit one of the doses would allow you to edit the entire course. Always be careful when transferring reducing courses to discharge prescriptions, as you will need to ensure the dates and times are appropriate when transferring to the Discharge tab.